Welcome back. Here is a little challenge for you guys. You have to create an app called currency converter, which will look similar to this one. If I enter some amount in dollars, like for example I enter $10, it should convert that into pounds. It should tell me like this. It's telling me that it's 7 equals to 7 pounds, and also the image below is also changed to pounds. If I enter here $30, so it should convert into pounds, and it's actually 23 pounds. So this is a little challenge for you guys. I strongly recommend that do it yourself. This will enable you to enhance your skills, and there is also a saying that practice makes the man perfect. So thanks for watching this video. I'll come up in the next video with the solution of this.